Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about how to remove blackheads from lips with petroleum jelly and brown sugar. So keep watching till end. This particular lip scrub contains petroleum jelly which is sold under many generic brands and also the brand name Vaseline. It is a deep moisturizing and protective substance. The theory behind using petroleum jelly to remove blackheads from the lips is that a greasy substance is able to soften other greasy substance and remove the oily plugs that might be caught on your lips. Brown sugar contains alpha hydroxy acids that gently abrade the top surface of the lip skin, removing the blackheads. Brown sugar also helps resolve the existing top layer of skin on the lips so that the skin cells can renew and repair themselves. Mix 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly with 2 tablespoons of soft brown sugar in a small jar. The darker the sugar is, the softer it will be on your skin. You can also just mix this lip scrub right in the palm of your hand if you are making a small amount by simply using a dab of petroleum jelly and a couple of sprinkles of brown sugar. Rub the brown sugar scrub all over your lips with a clean finger. Do so with tiny polishing motions that exfoliate them gently. Use a washcloth or paper towel soaked with cold water to remove any excess Vaseline from your lips. Use a light patting motion to allow the moisturizing and moisture attracting properties of the lip treatment to take effect. You can use this brown sugar and petroleum scrub every day to exfoliate your lips. If your lips become chapped, reduce the number of times a day you use the scrub. Hope you find this video helpful. Like it and share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Finally, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.